Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What is artificial intelligence? How machines learn and think. Right now, artificial intelligence is quietly shaping the world around you. It recommends videos, answers questions, drives cars, creates images, and even speaks like a human. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? Can machines really think? Or are they simply following instructions? Today, you are going to understand artificial intelligence in a simple and fascinating way. You will learn how machines learn, how AI recognizes patterns, why it sometimes makes mistakes, and why experts believe AI could transform the future of humanity. Let's explore the hidden world of artificial intelligence together. Part 1. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, often called AI, is when machines are designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Things like recognizing speech, understanding language, solving problems, learning from experience, and making decisions. Instead of being programmed for every exact situation, AI systems learn patterns from huge amounts of data. In simple words, AI learns by studying examples, very similar to how humans learn from experience. Part 2. How machines learn. Imagine teaching a child to recognize cats. You show thousands of pictures. Some are cats, some are not. Over time, the child begins recognizing patterns: pointed ears, whiskers, eyes, and fur. Artificial intelligence learns in a surprisingly similar way. AI systems study enormous amounts of information, millions of examples, millions of patterns, and predicting answers based on probability. This process is called machine learning. Machine learning allows computers to improve without being manually programmed every single time. Part 3. The power of data. AI becomes smarter by studying data. The more high-quality information an AI receives, the better it usually performs. For example, a language AI studies books, articles, conversations, and websites. An image AI studies millions of pictures. A music AI studies sounds, rhythms, and melodies. The machine does not truly understand things emotionally like humans. Instead, it recognizes mathematical patterns incredibly fast. That pattern recognition is what makes modern AI so powerful. Part 4. How AI makes decisions. Artificial intelligence does not think exactly like humans. It does not have emotions, personal memories, or real consciousness. Instead, AI predicts the most likely answer based on patterns it has already learned. For example, if you type a question into an AI chatbot, the system analyzes billions of learned language patterns, then predicts which words are statistically most likely to come next. In many ways, a giant prediction machine, and modern systems have become astonishingly accurate. Part 5. Why AI sometimes makes mistakes. Even advanced artificial intelligence still makes errors. Sometimes AI gives false information, misunderstands context, or creates completely incorrect answers confidently. Why? Because AI does not truly know facts the way humans do. It predicts patterns. Sometimes those predictions are correct, and sometimes they are wrong. This is one of the biggest challenges in artificial intelligence today. Making AI more accurate, safer, and more reliable. Part 6. AI in everyday life. Many people already use artificial intelligence every single day without realizing it. When streaming apps recommend movies, that is my. When phones recognize faces, that is I. When maps predict traffic, that is I. When online stores suggest products, that is it too. Artificial intelligence is becoming deeply connected to daily life, and its influence continues growing rapidly around the world. Part 7. Can AI become conscious? One of the biggest questions in technology is whether machines could ever become truly conscious. Could an eye someday feel emotions, understand existence, or become self-aware? Right now, there is no scientific evidence that modern AI is conscious. Even the most advanced systems are still pattern prediction machines, very powerful, but still fundamentally mathematical systems. However, experts continue debating what future AI could eventually become. Part 8. The future of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence may transform medicine, education, transportation, science, business, and almost every industry imaginable. AI could help doctors discover diseases earlier, help scientists analyze enormous amounts of research, and help people learn faster than ever before. But AI also creates important challenges: job automation, privacy concerns, misinformation, and ethical questions about how powerful systems should be controlled. The future of AI will depend on how humanity chooses to develop and use this technology. Part 9. Why humans still matter. Even as AI becomes more advanced, human creativity, emotions, empathy, and judgment remain incredibly important. Machines can calculate, predict, and process information, but humans still create meaning, relationships, morality, and emotional understanding. The most powerful future may not be humans versus machines, but humans working together with intelligent technology. Today, you learned what artificial intelligence really is, how machines learn patterns, how AI systems make predictions, why AI sometimes makes mistakes, and how this technology is already changing the modern world. Artificial intelligence may seem mysterious at first, but at its core, it's built on learning patterns from enormous amounts of information. The future of artificial intelligence will likely shape the future of humanity itself. And understanding AI is becoming more important every single year. So keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring the fascinating future of intelligent machines. And now, imagine what artificial intelligence might look like just 10 years from today. What happens when machines become better at certain tasks than humans? Will AI help humanity grow or create entirely new challenges? No one fully knows yet. But one thing is certain. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It is already becoming part of everyday life. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.